Hey guys, it's Valerie here. So if you're new to my channel, then welcome, and if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a review.
Hold up.
It's been such a long time since I've done a review on my channel, so I'm super excited for this review. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Lunar Beauty Life Drag palette by Manny. That is one of my favorite YouTubers as well, and I just really wanted to show my support, and the colors just look so amazing online. So I'm super excited for you guys to see them because I'm gonna swatch them because I want you guys to see like how pigmented they are and also how they apply to my skin tone, and also if you guys think that it's worth buying. It's all up to you guys, but I purchased it as soon as he was like, it's now live, and I'm like, I have to get one. So this palette retails for $45, and with tax it came up to like 51 something. That's how the packaging is like on the outside, and then when you open it, it just says Lunar Beauty. And then it has the little card. And this is Manny right here. That's his palette. I'm so excited to try this out. And it just gives you a little bit of information about the palette. It says, life's a drag. Bring out the queen in you with this beautiful mix of natural and bright colors that blend effortlessly. And it's a 14 pan color palette, also cruelty free. So as I said before, they packaged my palette so nicely, like you have no idea. I put everything back together so you guys can see how well they packaged my palette. Let me show you guys. So I'm just gonna grab the palette. First of all, it has a little sticker right here, and then you just take the little sticker. I'm just gonna unwrap this. But then look at this, it has bubble wrap all around it. That's one protection, right? And then look, there's another one on it. That's why I love it. And look, it's not the palette, but it's just the packaging. There's a little message in the back, and I'm gonna go ahead and read it for you guys. It says, I dedicate this palette to all my makeup lovers out there. We are all queens. My first experience in the makeup world was in drag, which is why drag has been such an important influence in my life, and always will be. I've worked so hard to come up with a beautiful mix of neutral and bright colors that blend effortlessly. I know you'll have fun creating sickening looks with it, as much as I had creating it. Thank you for all of the constant support. Life's a drag wouldn't be here without you. Aww. And look at this. It says Life's a drag. I love, look at this. You see that? I don't know if you guys can see that. It's so beautiful. I love it. And look at his eyes. Yes, honey. And then this is what the back looks like. And when you open it up, these are the colors. And it comes with a little dual brush. So there are 14 shades. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the shades for you guys so you guys can like see the shades and see how they swatch on my skin tone. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch the colors in order. I'm just gonna go like this. The first color is Cake Face. Second color is Sickening. Next color is Hunty. The next shade is Beat. Next color I'm gonna swatch is Campy. Okay, next color is Pageant Queen. Okay, so the next color is Kiki. The next shade is Shady. Next color is Trade. This right here. The next color is Mug. And the next color is Legendary. The next color is KK, I think. Kai. So the next color is Snatched. The last color is this beautiful blue color right here, and it's called Fishy. So I am shook. Like, seriously, I am so shook. This palette right here, this is black girl friendly. Now I am going to create a look with this palette, but I just love the shade so much. Now I see why he was so excited about it. Like, this palette is for everyone. I'm going for a really vibrant look today, so let's just get started. I'm gonna take the shade Mug right over here, and I'm gonna place that in my crease. You see the color? I don't know if it shows on my camera, but it's so nice. Take the color Fishy. I'm just going to pack this on. Don't worry if you guys mess up because we're just packing this on, remember? Now I'm going to be taking the actual Lunar Beauty brush and I'm going to blend this all out. Next up, I'm going to take the Lunar Beauty brush and I'm going to take Shady. I'm just going to place that kind of in the outer V, going back with that blending brush. Pack on that black. Going back in with that blue again, Fishy. Just going to get that and blend the harsh lines up here. Next, I'm going to take my MAC Laying Low paint pot and I'm going to use that to make slight color. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with that black again and add some. Now I'm gonna go in with Campy. I'm gonna go in with Kai, the little pink. And I'm going to take the back of this brush and try to blend these two together. So I went on ahead and applied some eyelashes. So we're going back with Kai and we're going to place that underneath in our lower lash. I'm going to go back in with that brush that had fish and I'm going to blend it out with Kai. So I'm going to take a black eyeliner and place that in my waterline. And I'm going to take the color B and place that in the inner tear ducts. I don't know how to call that area. I'm just going to go ahead and finish everything. I'm just going to go ahead and put mascara on, finish the lips and everything, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. Now, my honest opinions and thoughts. That is my honest opinion. Like, you need to go out and you need to spend your money. The colors are so pigmented. I'm telling you guys, if you guys buy this palette, you will not regret it. Especially us dark-skinned girls. You will not regret buying this palette. It has 9 matte shades, right? I always prefer matte shades over shimmer shade. You want more matte than shimmer because this palette is so versatile. Like, you can go throughout the day And then night, you go crazy. Like, look at this. This whole side, I tried to use everything, but I couldn't fit the purples. But I will be making another look with this palette because I love it so much. I have to use all of the colors up in here. Like, Manny, you did that. Like, no lie. I love this palette so much. So, let's rate this palette. It's a 10 for me. You got my money. I'm waiting for another palette, and it better be as good as this one. I'm waiting for such great things from you, Manny. Like, seriously, you may not even ever watch this video because I am such a small YouTuber. I rate this palette a 10 out of 10, okay? I purchased this with my own money. You have my word. This is Valerie approved. It has like all of the cutest shades up in here. Some shades that people have been trying so hard to create, and this is his first launch, and the shades are amazing. So that's the end of my review. If you guys are interested in buying this palette, I'll leave a link for you guys down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye guys!